Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. Hi friends! For today's card, I'm using a product that debuts January 5th with the new January-June 2021 catalog. This is an exciting suite that comes with 2 stamp sets, some dies, a punch, memories and more cards, ladybugs, twine, and designer series paper. I'm featuring this stamp set and punch in a 3-part online class in my VIP group. It's a Facebook group, and all you have to do to become a VIP is place an order with me, and I have some links in the description for you if you are interested. So I have a piece of Whisper White thick cardstock here. I have treated the page with the embossing buddy. I've inked up my Dragonfly with Versamark ink. I'm taking really good precautions to make sure that the stamp is straight and that it has enough time for the ink to transfer to the paper. I am using gold embossing powder. I have sprinkled that on, and now I'm going in with the sentiment that says, thank you for your kindness. One little trick here, the stamp is sort of crooked, and one of my friends had told me the little trick is to line the bottom of your stamp with the bottom of your acrylic block so that it doesn't matter if the stamp is crooked on the block, you just make sure that your block is in line with your page. So I thought that was a very good little tip. Hopefully you picked up what I was throwing down there. Anyway, I have used my heat gun here to heat the embossing powder. You can see it's changing color. I did waft it in the back to have sort of some heat going on in the back as well as in the front. I'm trying to minimize the warpage of this thick cardstock. I'm using my bone folder to fold my card. It's very simple. I could see it actually as a 4-part series using all the greetings at the bottom and gifting it to someone as, you know, a note card set. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me, and I will catch you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.